Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2017 Chrysler Pacifica Limited, stock number E1155A. 32,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check, history report. We sold this Pacifica brand new. Color is called Tusk White. To be Chrysler Group certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, keeping the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage with roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Power sliding doors on both sides of the van. There's Pacifica seat 7 with a leather interior. Bucket seats in the middle row. Stone go seating allows the second and third row to fold flat into the floor. Thick skylight over the third row with sunshade. Dual flip-up DVD players. Windows do go down in the sliding doors, along with power vent rear quarter windows. Pacifica is a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Backup camera. Rear parking sensors. Blind spot monitoring. And cross path detection. Power liftgate for convenience. Deep storage well behind the third row. Lots of space for cargo or for those seats to fold back into. Hooks in the back side, perfect for plastic grocery bags. Power stow and go rear seating. Seats will fold with a push of a button. Can of course fold them into any combination, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. We'll also reverse and go into the upright position. Very clean, no dents or dings in the body. Sliding doors operate off the key fob or a simple pull of the handle. High back bucket seats in the middle row, recline. Have hooks in the seats for latch system to keep child seats completely secure. They are also heated, great for those cold days. This Limited has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers. Power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel, put you in that perfect driving position. Oversized panoramic moonroof. Large, easy to read gauges. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls. Large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. 3-zone automatic temperature control, driver, passenger, and rear heat and air. Heated seats, heated steering wheel, as well as ventilated seats. Keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. Navigation. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, or to connect to other Bluetooth-enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. 9-speed automatic transmission with a rotary dial shifter. Hard keys for the things you use most often. DVD player. Lots of storage in the center console. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, auto-dimming mirror. Moonroof, sunshade control. Liftgate, sliding doors, and home-link transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Pacifica has a 3.6-liter V6, 287 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average of 19 miles to the gallon and a city average of 28 on the highway. And ready to go with new tires. Don't forget about that Chrysler certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.